Hey everybody, this video I've got the mailbox lock here. This one is a US lock brand one. It's actually kind of a cheap one, but serves its purpose here. This one is going to be meant for interior use since there's no dust cover on it that usually indicates it's for inside. And here's what our key looks like on this one. And these are interesting here. It's got the key code on it. It's got 21324. When we look at the key, it's actually going to be listed from tip to bow, which is different than a lot of locks. Usually it's bow to tip on most of the time anyway. So it operates all right here. And we'll see if we can pick it open. I'm just going to take the cam off so I can put it in my little vise. Yeah, I'll try it there since we're trying to tension it that way anyway, so let's see if we can do it without popping the whole thing out. Okay, so take 3 here. Click at it, 2, 3, 4. It actually seems like a little bit of counter rotation, so may have a spool in it, but I don't know, this lock is pretty cheap compared to the other ones, so not really sure. It didn't really seem like a false set, but that did kind of seem like counter rotation then when it popped open. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. It's the mailbox lock, single pin picked, and we'll talk to everybody later.